In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox, a widely popular cloud storage service that allows you to store and share files seamlessly. Whether you're a newbie or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the fundamental processes to get the most out of Dropbox. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to dropbox.com. Once there, you'll need to log in with your account credentials. If you don't yet have an account, there's an option to sign up. It's straightforward and quick, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where all your uploaded files and folders are conveniently listed. From here, you can access your files and folders easily. Think of it as your virtual filing cabinet, keeping everything organized and accessible from any device with internet access. Here you can browse through existing documents, photos, or any files you've previously uploaded to Dropbox. Now let's dive into adding files and folders to your Dropbox account. If you're using your computer, one of the simplest ways to upload is by dragging files or folders directly into your dedicated Dropbox folder. This folder acts like any other on your computer, but instead of storing items locally, they're uploaded directly to the cloud for safety and accessibility. It's a convenient drag and drop system that even supports batch uploads, saving you time when transferring multiple files. Sharing files and folders is another powerful feature of Dropbox. When you hover over any file or folder, you'll notice a Share button. Clicking on this will open a sharing menu where you can invite others to view, edit, or comment on your files. This flexibility is perfect for both personal and professional collaborations, allowing multiple users to work on the same document in real time without the need to send multiple email attachments. If you prefer sharing via a link instead, Dropbox has you covered with its copy link feature. Once you've clicked share, you'll notice an option to create a link. Simply click copy link and you're ready to paste it into an email, a message, or however you prefer to send it. This link grants access to whoever you choose, maintaining the simplicity of sharing while giving you control over access permissions. Remember, with Dropbox, you can rest assured that your files are not just stored but are secured and accessible at any time from any location. It's about making your digital life easier and more organized. And there you have it, you now have a solid foundational understanding of how to use Dropbox, from logging in, accessing, adding and sharing files. By leveraging these features, you can streamline file management and collaborate with others effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.